When I heard the FT story, I immediately called a few desks that I know are short on Tesla because the stock was beginning to rise upward. This is what I would do if I were short on this stock. Now that some of these hedge guys are 3 times levered, they must be in excruciating pain. And if I were Elon Musk, I would fund using a stock that has increased by about 40% from its recent lows. It's a great move. I was raised in the realm of private equity. That might indicate that he has approached organizations that currently possess this stock and they will participate in the private transaction. Therefore, that eliminates the need for a large debt load. The fraction of institutions that will remain private is unknown. Clearly, the rate of adoption is decreasing, which has presented a problem for EVs. When a new technology is introduced, everyone is thrilled about it, but reality sets in when it comes to how slowly it will be incorporated into America's automobile fleet. As you noted, one of the reasons is that charging on longer travels is difficult for certain people. As we just saw, it's not as convenient in a rental situation, even though it might be in a city if you're just traveling back and forth to work and you know where the charging stations are. However, the infrastructure itself, the actual uptake to achieve, say, 50% of automobiles. In his 2024 prognosis, renowned investor and Shark Tank star Kevin O made a daring declaration comparing Tesla's future to a bigger power. Come along with us as we examine O's perceptive forecasts and investigate the ramifications they may have for Tesla's future course. From groundbreaking inventions to calculated moves, we'll examine the complex web of elements influencing this trailblazing company's destiny. We'll also take a close look at the state of the economy and see how Tesla is positioned to withstand the challenges and come out stronger than before. We'll reveal the possible advantages and difficulties that Tesla and its investors may face at every turn. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey full of professional analysis, fascinating discoveries, and stimulating conversations. You won't want to miss this episode. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. However, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons first. Let's examine Elon Musk's recent statements and their ramifications, especially in light of the larger economic picture as seen through Kevin O's research. Looking ahead, the future looks bleak, with several businesses on the verge of going bankrupt in the coming year. This is a clear recognition of the difficult realities that businesses face today, not just speculation. Even Tesla, which is praised for its innovative advances in renewable energy and electric automobiles, is vulnerable to the current economic challenges. They continue to be susceptible to the effects of worldwide economic changes in spite of their innovative breakthroughs and market leadership. Essentially, Musk's message emphasizes how important it is to be realistic and forward-thinking when negotiating the choppy waters that lie ahead. Let's now examine the impending macroeconomic difficulties. Diane clarified that among other structural challenges, we're battling supply chain interruptions, fluctuating consumer demand, inflationary pressures, and geopolitical uncertainty. These are strong barriers that cut across businesses and sectors and pose serious risks to long-term profitability and growth. Kevin said that this calls for Tesla to reevaluate its tactics and strengthen its ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's about surviving the storm and coming out stronger on the other side, not just about creating cutting-edge electric cars. This necessitates prudent financial management, thoughtful resource distribution, and a steadfast dedication to creativity and flexibility. Nevertheless, there remains a ray of hope amid the gloomy surroundings. As history has shown, times of upheaval can spark revolutionary transformation and hitherto unheard of possibilities. For Tesla, this might mean focusing more on its core skills, investigating new markets and sources of income, and continuing to be steadfastly committed to innovation and sustainability. Musk's comments emphasize how crucial it is to be resilient, flexible, and strategically astute in order to successfully navigate the choppy waters of the global economy. It is not enough to simply ride the wave. One must predict the currents and set out on a path that will bring about long-term success and riches. And for businesses like Tesla, this means staying loyal to their mission, but still being flexible and sensitive to the always changing opportunities and difficulties. However, there is a fantastic opportunity within this uncertainty. There is a $200 investment alternative that might eventually produce a 100-fold return instead of spending $50,000 on Bitcoin. That's what the majority of industry professionals believe. And who else is as optimistic about Tesla? Our pals from Seeking Alpha. There is more to Tesla's remarkable success than merely watching from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for the most recent information on Tesla, including its stock price targets, innovations, and everything related to Elon Musk, for stock market enthusiasts and those with an eye for finding the next big thing. The greatest online source of pro-Tesla news is Seeking Alpha. Get down to the facts and avoid the lamestream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric. For a unique discount, click the link in the description. Alongside other automotive behemoths, Tesla is engaged in a vigorous competition for supremacy in the electric vehicle market. What makes Tesla unique? It's their capacity to capitalize on their existing market share and inventiveness. Market rumors notwithstanding, Tesla's dominance has not been challenged. Their expertise in drivetrains, engines, chipsets, and batteries has not been surpassed by any rival. Tesla has remained ahead of the competition because to its supremacy and unrelenting innovation. Critics may grumble endlessly about Elon Musk, but when it comes to buying an electric car, everyone agrees that Tesla is the best option. As rivals like GM and Porsche still haven't caught up, Tesla keeps growing its market share, cutting costs, and pushing the envelope. Despite the stock's volatility, Tesla has a clear advantage in current unstable economic climate thanks to their exclusive concentration on electric automobiles. Let's now examine the Cybertruck, one of Tesla's most fascinating inventions. Could it be an impending disaster, or is it really a game changer? To put it simply, it is definitely a game changer. The Cybertruck has received an incredible amount of pre-orders despite its unusual look, indicating its broad popularity and ability to upend the automobile industry. The Cybertruck is unique not just because of its daring design, but also because of its fundamental principles. Although operating what essentially feels like a tank may appear unusual at first, it is just this audacity that has captured the interest of customers all over the world. Additionally, the fact that it is an electric car adds even more appeal to consumers who are concerned about the environment and are looking for guilt-free transportation options. The Cybertruck has the ability to completely transform the automobile industry, as seen by the unquestionable demand for it. Analysts and enthusiasts alike are anxiously awaiting its release to observe how it will affect the market. The Cybertruck promises to change how we think about and engage with vehicles, whether it's negotiating off-road terrain or navigating metropolitan streets. More than just a means of transportation, the Cybertruck is a representation of Tesla's steadfast dedication to disruption and innovation. Tesla continues to defy expectations and clear the path for a sustainable future by pushing the limits of usefulness and design. One thing is clear as we anxiously await the Cybertruck's release: it will undoubtedly have a lasting impact on the automotive sector for many years to come. Think about Elon Musk's recent revelations and the possible effects of his new business. Will it appeal to truck enthusiasts in America, or perhaps throughout the world, where pickup trucks are the most popular? Many people may be reluctant to switch, such as those who treasure their F-150s. After all, it's difficult to top the familiarity and comfort of their reliable trucks. However, curiosity is piqued by Musk's assurance of large profit margins on an electric truck. Even the most hesitant customers are drawn in by the manufacturing efficiency benefits, which suggest a profitable possibility. Let's change our focus and take a closer look at the larger automobile scene. How is Tesla doing in this changing environment? Even with numerous cost reductions and a competitive approach, Tesla's approach is still distinct. In contrast to conventional automakers, they use Elon Musk's Twitter platform instead of traditional advertising. Whether you like Musk or not, his unwavering determination is akin to that of a contemporary superhero, unfazed by the distractions and scandals that envelop him.